Hello guys, welcome back. This is your faculty Sudarshan. Yes, there is a most important announcement from our ICMAI Institute. This is going to be a game changer for December 2024 examination. Those who are going to write either the one group or for the both groups. What is that official notification? Yes, guys, there is a new skill training program and IOTP new scheme is applicable from December 2024 examination onwards. They clearly given. That's what's dated on 24th June 2024. We'll go further. On the 31st council meeting, 351st council meeting held on March 24, they have decided to introduce a new skill training program on IOTP 2024, which is applicable for intermediate and final level students from December 2024 term of examination and onwards. So those who are writing December 2024 examination, the previous skill training is not applicable for you. Previous IOTP is not applicable for you. You need to go for the new changed skill training program or IOTP program. Here I want to give you a clarification. Those who have already completed that skill training program or IOTP program, you need not to go in this new skill training program. As you have already completed, as your certificates have already been provided, you are not need to be go for this program. But here I have slight opinion on that I will tell it further. Just watch till the end. The point is, this is a new skill training program. What is a new skill training program? Name as NSTP. Name as NSTP. Okay, for intermediate course, skill training modules of previously there was a SAP. Now there is no SAP. Instead, they will give you Tally ERP or Zogo or ERP Next or any ERP software recommended by the regional itself, or it will be conducted by the DOS. That is, DOS is nothing but Directorate of Studies. Previously, it was 60 hours. Now it has reduced to 40 hours. It is completely going to be an online mode, like how you have done or like how you need to do your SAP. Now, communication and soft skills training. Previously, it was 20 hours. Now it's also 20 hours. It is going to be an online program. It should be conducted by the Directorate of Studies. This MS Office and e-filing. This two will be conducted by the regions or CMA SC. What is mean by CMA SC? CMA support centers. CMA support centers will do this MS Office or e-filing. What is MS Office? If there is a MS Office, you can do with Microsoft, or alternatively Google Document, Google Sheet, Google Slides, or Open Office may be thought. Those regions are wanted to do under the Google method. Okay. Then for e-filing, previously it was 20 hours. Now it's also 20 hours. The institute, the region, or the chapters, or the support centers may decide whether they want to go for a hybrid mode. What is meant by hybrid? If they're willing to do it in online, the separate region may decide that they will go in online, or else they will choose to come only in the physical mode. Some regional institutes or some chapters may do both. That's what the hybrid means. Okay, either they will go with online or they will either go with offline. That's what the meaning here is. And totally 120 hours of training is needed. Previously it was 140 hours. Now it has reduced to 120 hours. 20 hours is reduced. That's what new skill training program for intermediate students, those who are writing but not completed your SAP program. Previously, if you are not completed your SAP program, then this is going to be useful for you. Next, for final course, what is required? Previously, for final, we are only having IOTP. That IOTP is to for only 7 days. Now they have increased it plus 3 days. So total it is going to be 10 days. That is also only physical mode. That is usually conducted by separate regions or chapters. Don't see this pricing and all. It is a sharing between that headquarters of that CMA and separate region. Don't focus on that part. IOTP is 10 days. You need not to pay any fees. Okay, this is the share between CMA and a separate region is given. Okay, for IOTP it was 10 days program. Previously SAP is in Inter. Now they put it in the CMA final, and Oracle and MS Dynamics and any ERP software for 50 hours to 60 hours. Minimum 50 hours, maximum 60 hours. That too for online or hybrid. You can decide. That will be conducted by the Directorate of Studies. business analytics and data analytics for 20 to 30 hours. That is an online program, that is from DOS means Directorate of Studies. Okay, who is going to deliver that? Okay, that is Directorate of Study is going to deliver that. Maximum it is going to be an online only. Okay, as far as past trend is concerned, it is going to be an online only. So finally you will not only do IOTP, instead you will do 80 hours of skill training also needed for CMA final students. For whom it is needed, that's what they have given a clarity over here. First, they have said that the region chapters or CMS, that is support centers, shall conduct MS Office or e-filing training in physical or hybrid mode, duly monitored by DOS. That is Director of Studies, under the guidance they will monitor. Basically, they are also preferring as the CMA chapters to conduct in physical mode, because we have a personal connect over the students. Then second, the reasonable infrastructure to be provided, and the separate region or the chapters shall submit the skill training completion report, because nowadays many of them are unfortunately they simply put the videos, they simply attend the SAP program, and they will easily write the exam and they will get the certificate, because the no skill enrichment is there. So based on that, to enhance the highest standard of training, they come up with this program. This is a good initiative from CMA Institute. Then fourth one, the students who have applied for both or the remaining groups shall only receive SAP or ERP login in their registered mail ID, while students who have paid the total course fees or the second installment are eligible to attend other skill training program IOTP for a particular term. It means for SAP and ERP which are conducted by DOS, that will be sent to the registered email ID. That will be an online course. The student who have paid the total course fee and have not registered for the exam application, irrespective of the exam application, that students are eligible to attend other skill training program. It means the programs like MS Office, e-filing, they can attend. But the separate like SAP, ERP login and all, those who are registered, them who have applied for both the remaining groups, means they have filled the exam form, right? For them only they have said it is applicable. For this we need a better clarity. Okay, we need a better clarity from the institute. We will wait for a clarification. I hope the institute will give a clarification over this point. And point 5, share of fees for postal students remains with the institute after successful completion. This skill training or IOTP not served through a region or chapter shall be conducted through online mode by DOS. Suppose if you are from our one chapter, the chapter is saying or the region is saying they are not going to conduct any courses through physical mode, then it will be conducted through online mode by Director of Studies in some particular region or in some particular chapters. And what is this TEF committee? Training and Education Facilities Committee of that CMA Institute shall monitor the effectiveness and timely consistent of a skill training program or IOTP on a regular basis, and can modify the modalities of the curriculum. They can modify the curriculum from time to time. It may be changed from attempt to attempt, or it may be changed from 1 year to another year. Why they are doing? To facilitate the students to the highest standard of training. That's it. Here what is the opinion I am having, or here I am also having some doubt over it. Here there is a two-way. Sir, I have completed my IOTP program. Okay, then this business data analytics or the SAP some training program or the new initiative of SAP program, I have not at all attended, because in old scheme I have attended this IOTP. Then my clarification I personally needed is, this business data analytics course will be applicable for that IOTP students, those who completed? That's a question mark. That we need some clarity over that point. Okay, and then for those who have not even completed the IOTP, they will go into this IOTP, business data analytics and SAP training for that purpose. Okay, they may also tell you in this two-way, that is, for those who are completed IOTP, the remaining course like business data analytics, the SAP or ERP, any software is not eligible for you. Or they may tell you, those who have completed IOTP, you just need to do that 8 years additionally. That 8 years additionally you need to do, then you can write their exam. That's another opinion they may tell you. Okay, but as far as the past trend, as far the transition scheme of the training program is concerned, if you done with this IOTP, they may not ask you to do it again. that 8 years they may not ask you to do it again, because it is very much time consuming, and there is also a burden for the institute to bifurcate the students for whom it is applicable, for whom it is not applicable. It is a lengthier process. So what they simply do, as is a transition scheme is goes on, they will simply do, those who have already completed IOTP, this training program, this new screen, the new training program is not applicable for you. You just go on, continue on writing your examination. That's what my opinion is. Okay, we will see whether the clarification will come. If the clarification is come, I will surely update you with the clarification, like how I updated you right now. Prepare well for the December 2024 examination. We have already started with the batch. Those who want to interested to join our CMA intermediate personal mentorship along with classes, you can WhatsApp me at 9043971982. All the best for your preparation. Prepare well. Start your preparation from July 1st and get completed by August or September and go for your revision. Thank you. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you are having any doubts, just comment below. I will clarify it.